Hello friends, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious hearty ground beef sausage and potato meal. This is such a comforting, delicious meal. It is so good and perfect for winter. Let's get started. We're going to start by heating up some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil gets hot, we're going to saute some vegetables. I've gone ahead and cut up some onion, red and yellow bell peppers. We're going to throw them into the pan. We're going to season the vegetables with salt and black pepper. Then saute them for about 2 minutes to develop some flavor. Once the vegetables are sauteed, add some minced garlic. Cook the garlic with the vegetables for about 30 seconds, then we're going to add some meat. We're using a combination of Italian sausage and ground beef. Add the meat to the vegetables. Use your spatula to break it up, then cook the meat for about 2 or 3 minutes or until it is no longer pink. Next, we're going to add some fresh green peas, some cut up cherry tomatoes. We're going to add some spices including dried basil, rosemary, thyme, parsley, oregano, and paprika. We're also adding some Worcestershire sauce. And then for extra flavor, we're going to add better than bouillon roasted beef base. This is going to add really good flavor to the meal. Mix everything together very well. Taste for salt and pepper, then add more if needed. Mix everything together, then we're going to add some potatoes. These are baby potatoes that are cut into halves. We're going to add some beef broth, then mix everything together. We're going to let this cook and come to a gentle simmer. Then we're going to stick in some bay leaves for extra flavor. Allow this to simmer gently, then turn your heat down to medium-low. Let this continue to simmer for about 30 minutes. Make sure you keep the pan covered. Halfway through cooking, make sure you uncover the pan and stir through. That way nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Here it is when it's all done cooking. This will make your home smell really good. You can skim off any excess oil and this is ready to be enjoyed. This is such a warm, comforting, and hearty meal. You can enjoy this with a sprinkle of cheddar or mozzarella cheese. This came out so flavorful. The potatoes are very soft. Everything came out so delicious. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.